Hi, Violet here. On my last video, the one with the quilt, I had one nest with a little bird in it, and I said I had crocheted the nest, and I was going to make a video of all the different nests that I had made. It was a while back, and I did make a video, but it was a long time ago, and I've taken some of those videos down. So I thought I'd make another video of the little nests with the birds in. I made eggs with wool or with Fimo clay, and the nests are crocheted, or else they're just loose wool that's lightly felted, and I crocheted them with wool and then some fun fur along with that, and they turned out kind of cute. So my little Norfolk Island pine is sheltering my little birds with their nests, but I will take individual pictures so that you can see them better. And they're really easy to do. They're just crocheted like a little upside down hat or whatever, and put little different yarns and stuff to give them some texture and interest. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.